Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irma Lovinita. In this video, I would like to present the revision on my thesis analysis. The title is Local and Immigrants Encounter in George Orwell's Down and Out in Paris and London. The first one is revise the abstract. The abstract has been revised, and the revise stated this thesis analyzed the portrayal of local and immigrant character in George Orwell's Down and Out in Paris and London. Focusing on their interaction and characterization, the research aims to identify the characterization and behavior of specific local and foreign characters such as Boris, Paddy Jacques, and Henry. The study employs a close reading method, analyze the novel and other sources through the lens of structuralism and E.M. Forster's theory of narratology. This approach emphasizes the intrinsic element of literary work, especially characterization. This research reveals distinct characteristics and behaviors among the local and foreign characters in the novel, highlighting how cultural backgrounds and stereotypes shape their interaction, appearance, and language. And the keywords there are friendship, narratology, people encounter, structuralism, Paris, and London. The second one is a suggestion on the research question. Based on the examiner's suggestion, the research question can be merged and combined. Then there are a suggestion about create a new suggestion that focus on social issue. So there are two research questions after revision and stated. First, how does George Orwell represent and identify local and foreign characters in terms of people's appearance, physical characteristics, and behavior by characterization in Down and Out in Paris and London? And the number two is what local issues are represented in each local and foreign character by people encounter in Down and Out in Paris and London. Next, revision on the chapter 3, which is about discuss and analyze about round and flat character. Each part of round and flat character has been explained, especially on their differences and their roles in the story. The finding of the analysis in round and flat character is round character play an important role, often lead the story, they are very important, very significant, they have complex dimensional and well developed. They often change by going through a life-changing experience as the story unfolds, and they pass through the crucial events. It can be seen on the narrator and Boris character. On the other hand, flat character have no internal conflict. They never experience character development, only have one perspective or viewpoint, and flat characters do not play important role in the story. It can be seen on the Charlie and Madame Muncy character. Then suggestion on chapter 4, which is about analysis on social issue. The suggestion seek to find a related issue for the main analysis, focus and classify the social issue which is actually has been seen and analyzed in the research. Focus on the social issue such as poverty or struggle in poverty. Divide into two parts by highlighting the distinction between local and foreign character in Paris and London. Elaborate and classify them to show the social issue. Well, the social issue that can be represented in this novel is about the poverty, which is in Paris. The focus on the social issue is on the experience of foreign characters struggling with poverty, while in London, focus on the experiences for people's life in the tram for the homeless and how their lives are in the shelters, including their habits of sleeping, eating, and also how they earn money by expecting from the charity. There are also a suggestion to identify the assimilation on the analysis. The analysis about assimilation has been added, which is the assimilation that can be raised in on the analysis is about the adaptation to social environment and culture. Like the nurture should be used to work in a long time, used to be here the hard work in his workplace. And in London, the narrator should be adapted to live as homeless in a tram and try to understand how the poor people live in the shelter. The assimilation can also be seen by the narrator use the language of local people. He also used the slang word and adapt to how local people speaking. Then the suggestion about conclusion, which is the suggestion stated to make the conclusion more deeper by numbering based on the number of the variable in research question. I have made a revision in writing the conclusion by numbering each paragraph conclusion, such as I use first, second, third, fourth, fifth on each paragraph conclusion. And the last one is suggestion about to use formalism in the theory. Well, there's no revision in the theory because structuralism and formalism focus on intrinsic element. Structuralism can also be used to analyze this literary work. Consider that this research focus on the intrinsic element of this novel, especially in terms of character and characterization. So I do not put any revision about this, since structuralism can also be used on this research with which is focused on the character and characterization. Alright, that's all of my presentation on my revision thesis analysis. Thank you for watching and hearing this video, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.